Ta-da!
Hey, what's going on? What are you two up to?
Since you couldn't go to the ballet.
We're bringing the ballet to you, Luis.
The ballet? Here?
Sure, we already have the music.
And Gabi and I can be the dancers, and you can be the audience.
If your back doesn't hurt too much.
Oh, no, I'd love to be the audience.
Okay, then. Let the ballet begin.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Big Bird.
Yeah, I'll be careful. Now, this ballet is called the Ouchie Back Ballet.
The Ouchie Back Ballet, ah.
Yes, it's the beautiful story of a handsome Luis bird, that's me, who hurts his back, and the beautiful fairy princess,
That's me.
who helps him get better. And now, the Ouchie Back Ballet.
Zebra ready pose.
Once upon a time, a handsome bird.
Very
named Luis was
good.
flying around. But all of a sudden, he bent over to get a delicious worm. And then he hurt his back. What could he do? He couldn't fly. He couldn't stand up. He didn't even get the worm. And along came a fairy princess.
Listen, hear what you can hear. Every day's a new day, a different point of view day. You can run and hide, or you can step outside. When you go out walking, take a break from talking. Listen to the sound of the world that's all around you. Stop, listen, see what you've been missing. Stop, listen, hear what you can hear. Stop, listen, see what you've been missing. Stop, listen, hear what you can hear. Woo! Nice stopping and listening. Now let's all pretend we're deer. Here we go. With our dear friend Dolores, we'll go strolling through the forest. Stop and flick your ears. What does Dolores hear? Flick your ears. Can you hear the birds? Can you hear your feet on the floor? What about your heartbeat? Hear the water falling. Who is calling? Listen to the sound of the world that's all around you. Stop, listen, see what you've been missing. Stop, listen, hear what you can hear. Stop, listen, see what you've been missing. Stop, listen, hear what you can hear. The snow is chilly as we wander willy-nilly. Who do you think we'll meet? Cruising down the street. Look what's passing by.
Look at that.
Did something catch your eye?
That's right.
See and hear the sound of the world that's all around you. Stop, listen, see what you've been missing. Stop, listen, hear what you can hear. Stop, listen, see what you've been missing. Stop, listen, hear what you can hear. Stop. That was
And
good.
together,
Great
they
job,
did.
everybody.
Happily ever after.
You were
Oh.